Namaskar. Welcome to Conversations with Rakesh. Here's today's question. Rakesh sir, I am uncomfortable in changing my delivery style or raising my tone or giving facial expressions like smile and other things. Won't my audiences find me a fake? How do I maintain authenticity in my communication? This question is a summary of discussions in not just one classroom. I think I've experienced this in majority of my classrooms, especially with working managers and senior leaders, even professionals, MBA students. And it's important for us to really go deep into this question. Key, at some point of time, when you are communicating, one is that we are trained to be ourselves. We are more comfortable sitting and doing our work. And when we go in front of people in a meeting room or other areas, there is a natural way of communication, and then there is this expected way of communication, jahan pe, according to research, the more you are changing your tone, the more you are expressing yourself through non-verbals, and there's massive research that non-verbals have more impact. Many of us are uncomfortable with that. And that's where this question comes. And I've heard this remark so many times, ki, sir, won't the people find me fake? I want to be authentic. I don't want people to think ki main fake hoon. So I thought we'll go deeper into this question. So I'll give you some 2-3 important reasons why this question bothers us. And then I'll give you some suggestions on how to overcome it. So the first thing that you must realize is that when you are brought up in a certain way, we are comfortable with how we behave in front of people. We are comfortable with family members, classrooms, friends. We are comfortable with them. Now, when we are speaking to unknown people, working professionals, clients, we don't know them. Sometimes we don't even know what their background is. So it's a new world for us. And this is where we are uncomfortable to change ourselves. See, fundamentally, change requires massive energy. This is that whole law of inertia, momentum, forces कि बॉस अगर एक बॉडी एक डायरेक्शन में चल रही है वो चलती जाएगी unless somebody stops. अगर एक बॉडी रुकी हुई है वो रुकी रहेगी unless somebody pushes. And there is a lot of effort needed to keep doing that. And many of us are very comfortable to just be in that position कि बॉस एक जगह पड़े हुए हैं, एक behavior है, it's okay. To change to a new behavior is very expensive, and this is the whole concept of fixed mindset, growth mindset. Being the same is fixed mindset because we are comfortable. उसको चेंज करने के लिए बहुत डर लगता है, बहुत एनर्जी स्पेंड करनी पड़ती है, रिजल्ट्स आर नॉट प्रोडक्टिव, फेलियर हो जाता है, सो वी डोंट चेंज कि यार जैसे है वैसे ही ठीक है. एंड ग्रोथ माइंडसेट रिक्वायर्स अस टू चेंज. सो दिस इज वन बिग thought process ki all of us resist change. So in your case, one of the reasons that you are worried and not changing is because it's like your inertia एक fixed zone में आप चले गए हो. और ऐसा नहीं कि आप में कुछ खराब बात है. हम सब लोग, all human beings enjoy where we are. It is the nature of what makes us human being. And change करना, we don't like it. गुस्सा आता है, डिनायल होता है, वी रेजिस्ट द चेंज. क्यों करूं चेंज? सो एवरीथिंग वांट्स टू बी फिक्स्ड, बट दिस सब्जेक्ट रिक्वायर्स यू टू बी इन द ग्रोथ माइंडसेट. सो दैट इज रीजन नंबर 1 व्हाई यू आर बॉदर्ड विद दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट रीजन नंबर 2 कि ये क्वेश्चन आता कहाँ से है कि लोग मुझे फेक समझेंगे. सो आई थॉट अबाउट इट, आई read about it, spoke to few experts about it, and I have some anecdotal hypothesis. एक तो हमारे कल्चर में, एंड दिस इज क्लासिकल टू अस, वी गिव एंड वी शुड, आवर फाउंडेशंस ऑफ आवर नॉलेज सिस्टम्स इज अबाउट वर्चूज कि भाई सच बोलो, लोगों की हेल्प करो, बी नाइस, बी काइंड, बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स एड अप, राइट? नाउ इन दैट देयर इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन कॉल्ड ऑनेस्टी, and there is no school which will teach you be dishonest, right? I mean, you will not find a single person who will put on LinkedIn, my biggest superpower is that I am dishonest. You will always find all of us claiming our virtues, and in that virtues, being honest is very important. नाउ उसमें प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है कि आर एंटायर थॉट प्रोसेस काइंड ऑफ बिकम्स कंफ्यूजिंग कि ऑनेस्टी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट देन honesty in communication is a very complex thought process, and that's where the problem comes कि एक तो we are trying to be slightly different, तो थोड़ा animation, थोड़ा सा facial expressions, tone बदल जाती है, and we are not like this at home. So we are now moving towards a new version of ourselves, and we are worried कि यार अगर मैं ये version दिखाता हूँ, this is not me, and I don't want people to judge me as dishonest. So break it into issues. One, when you are communicating, थोड़ा बहुत आपका personality change हो जाता है, करना भी पड़ता है. And when you do that, you are more worried कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. To me, that is important. That if you are bothered कि लोग मुझे fake समझेंगे, I don't think that's the right way of thinking. A deeper issue could be that you are more worried about what you want to communicate. And that is, you're giving them, you are less worried about what you want to communicate and more worried about कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे. To me, that is the root cause. कि अगर आपका communication will be decided by लोग क्या कहेंगे, I think you'll have a tough time. And अगर आपको लोगों को change करना है, leadership सीखनी है, communication सीखना है, you have to be different. And in that you have to be confident. So if you are being bothered by this thought process कि लोग मुझे झूठा समझेंगे, fake समझेंगे, they'll brand me as an unauthentic person, this is a sign of low self-confidence, low self-esteem. You probably could be suffering from a phenomena where you are more bothered about fitting in कि यार मैं क्यों, why should I stand out? Let me fit in. And to fit in, you choose a behavior style, communication style, which is comfortable to you. Fitting is the whole problem. And leadership studies want you to stand out. Communication is a subject which is the core of that, and change is very difficult. So now let me give you these two important points, that your mind is confusing with honesty and communication. You must be honest. That is not the question. हमेशा सच ही बोला कीजिए, लेकिन द वे यू एक्सप्रेस इट थोड़ा उसको चेंज कर दीजिए. एंड दैट मे नॉट बी योर ट्रू सेल्फ, विच इज ओके. Connected to performing in front of audiences. I'm performing in front of you. I'm not like this in front of my family or in my truest self. So am I dishonest? The answer is no. I'm extremely honest. I'm very sincere and ethical in this whole subject. बट अगर मैं थोड़ा सा एनिमेशन कर दूं, थोड़ा सा वॉइस को बढ़ा दूं, थोड़ा सा एक्टिंग कर दूं, दैट डजंट मेक मी अ बैड पर्सन, दैट डजंट मेक मी अ फेक पर्सन. तो अगर आपको ये डाउट है, it's a sign of low self-esteem and confidence. So now, having said that this is a fixed mindset issue and a low self-esteem issue, which is why you are bothered with the question कि यार लोग मुझे fake समझेंगे. Now let me give you some suggestions on how do you overcome this feeling and what can you do to be a little bit better communicator. So 3 suggestions or maybe 4. Suggestion number 1 is change your perspective. कोई आपको ये नहीं बोल रहा है कि आप झूठ बोलो. All right, so put that in mind. आप सच बोलो, लेकिन उसको थोड़ा सा flavor करके with expressions, with tonality, little bit of body movements, because according to science, we human beings, the listeners, connect more with non-verbals. ये नहीं बोल रहे हैं कि आप झूठ बोलो, ये बोल रहे हैं कि आप जो बोलना है उसको थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग बना के बोल दीजिए, उसको थोड़ा सा फ्लेवर मिला लीजिए, विदाउट compromising on ethics and honesty. So that is where the perspective comes in. So do not think that you are a fake. Start warming up to the whole process that you are communicating, you are performing, you are in front of an audience, they are judging you. And for you to be successful and get your work done, ये थोड़ी बहुत tricks तो आपको सीखनी पड़ेंगी. It's your personal choice whether you want to do it or not. But put things in perspective. That I think if you do it, all of us will benefit, including you. So that is one. The second is, please fix your self-esteem and self-confidence. Stop living for others. I think this is an important time for you to really understand this. I'm not saying that you live life according to your terms and become narcissist and, start doing things that only benefit you and not others. Please don't get me wrong. But please stop fitting in. अगर सब कुछ उसी माहौल में करोगे, I think your leadership, creativity, your growth will never happen. So learn to balance fitting in and standing out and fix your self-confidence. This is nothing but a self-confidence issue. If you feel you're good, you will fall in place, and then comes the whole process of communicating. So that is step number 2. Step number 3, एक तो ये word authenticity को change कर दो. I don't like this word, authenticity. मेरे को तो समझ में ही नहीं आता है क्या होता है. You know, there are 8 billion people in this planet, और शायद हम लोग कुछ few thousand peoples are influencing us. I'm not so sure ये authenticity, सच और झूठ मुझे समझ में आता है. These are philosophical concepts. क्या सच है क्या झूठ है is a relative term. So think of it like a spectrum. I'd like to offer you a new word. Change authenticity to consistency. मान लो आपके चेहरे पे बिल्कुल स्माइल नहीं आती. So be consistent, that's okay. You know, be consistent in front of your client and managers and home and everywhere. The problem is, बॉस के सामने तो आप बिल्कुल बत्तीसी दिखाओगे और घर में खड़ूस की तरह बैठे रहोगे. That is not consistency. And I've seen so many of my friends behaving very nicely in front of power. अरे सर क्या लग रहे हो सर, but in front of their families and maybe societies, they're horrible human beings. I mean, their behavior is questionable. तो my request is be consistent. या तो सबके साथ ही आप खड़ूस बन जाओ, या सबके साथ प्यार मोहब्बत से बात कर लो, but don't fluctuate. And that is important. To me, authenticity is about consistency. Be balanced with everyone is what my request is. एक बहुत अच्छा दोहे की लाइन थी, न किसी से दोस्ती न किसी से बैर, ना ज़्यादा फ्रेंडशिप करो ना एनिमोसिटी करो. बी बैलेंस, सबसे एक ही तरह का रिलेशन, क्लाइंट हो, फैमिली हो, फ्रेंड्स हो. बी नाइस टू एवरीवन, हैव अ स्माइल विथ एवरीवन, be a little bit animated and expressive with everyone depending on the situation. So that is called consistency. So that is my request number 3. And the last one is take small steps. आपको किसी ने नहीं बोला कि आप 1 सेकंड में मिस्टर बीन, चार्ली चैपलिन या जैकी चैन बन जाओ. I think you are who you are. थोड़ा सा अपने फेस को रिलैक्स कर लो. Maybe a little bit of a pleasantness in your face. थोड़ा फ्राउन को कम कर लो. थोड़ा सा अपनी वॉइस को चेंज कर लो, जैसे मैंने सिंग सॉन्ग किया और हाथ को ऐसे हिला दिया. दिस इज नॉट डिसऑनेस्टी, दिस इज नथिंग बट एडिंग वैल्यू टू माई लिसनर. और अपने लिसनर और ऑडियंस की इज्जत करो. यू नो, एक बहुत अच्छा लेक्चर सुन रहा था कि वेन यू रियली एम्पैथाइज विथ योर ऑडियंस एंड यू रियलाइज कि वो आपको टाइम दे रहे हैं और मैं आपके टाइम को वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट करूं, इज द डे यू विल बिकम अ ग्रेट कम्युनिकेटर. सो यू हैव पीपल इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, मेक इट वैल्यूएबल फॉर देम. डू योर बेस्ट, थोड़ा सा स्माइल कर दीजिए, थोड़ा टोन ले आइए, थोड़ा सा मूव कर लीजिए. टेक स्मॉल स्टेप्स. मिस्टर बीन, जैकी चैन बनने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. सो लेट मी समराइज दीज 4 स्टेप्स. 1, चेंज योर पर्सपेक्टिव. Nobody is asking you to be a fake, dishonest person. Number 2, please fix your self-esteem. This is very important. Number 3, change the word authenticity to consistency. And number 4, take small steps. A little smile, a little tonality, a little movement, and you can't go wrong with that. And once you are comfortable with it, keep going and you'll become a lot better communicator. On that note, do these little things. अपने घर पे ही कर लीजिए, रिकॉर्ड कर लीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, and look at the way people change around you. And on that note, stay safe.